The steel ball is part of the bit holder in your impact driver. The driver bit is held in place by the ball, which fits into the spindle. The ball is secured to the spindle by the collar. After years of use, the collar can come loose and the ball can then be lost. Sometimes the ball can wear, which will cause the driver bit to come loose easily. Replacing the steel ball is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hog ring from the chuck. The hog ring fits into a groove on the anvil and secures the chuck together. There's a spring behind the hog ring, so I want to be careful that I don't lose all the parts when the hog ring is removed. I'll use a pick to remove it. Now I can remove the collar and the steel ball. I'll use a magnet so I don't lose the steel ball. Now I can replace the steel ball. The steel ball fits over the top of the spring inside the groove. So I'll push the spring down, put the ball into the groove, and then release the spring. Now reinstall the collar. You'll notice one edge of the collar is beveled, and that bevel should face out. Now install the compression spring and place the plain washer over the top. Now install the hog ring. This is a little challenging because you have the compression spring trying to push everything away from the anvil. What I'll do is take a small pair of needle nose pliers and use them to compress the spring. You'll notice that the anvil is dog-eared, and I've aligned the pliers with the dog ears on the anvil so I have some room to work around the spindle. I'll place the hog ring over the spindle . And now you can replace the steel ball in your impact driver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.